Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a HP OfficeJet Pro 6970. This is nice and simple, it can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. And for the large part, you don't even need to worry about the little touchscreen found on the printer either. So to get to the ink cartridges, we need to go below the scanner bed, which is this top bit, and on either side there's a little recess. So we just get our fingers into either or both of those, gently lift the lid, which will eventually be held upright once you've got it high enough. And with this done, your printer will detect that it's been lifted and move the ink cartridge cradle into this position here so you can easily get to the cartridges. To remove the cartridges, there are clips at the front of almost all cartridges. So you just press down on that until the cartridge comes loose. Then you can just lift them out. Now I'm going to pop the same cartridge back in, but if you've got a brand new cartridge, it'll almost certainly have a pull tab at the top, which needs removing first of all, breaking a vacuum within the cartridge. With that done, you might find there's like a plastic clip on the bottom which you can remove, which I'd always recommend doing second. If you take that off before the tab at the top, you might find the ink kind of floods out onto your desk, which you would want to avoid if at all possible. So once you're confident all of the packaging's been removed, pop it back in, pop the end furthest away from you in first so it goes onto that little shelf, and we press down on the closest edge till it clicks. And you just want to make sure it's sat flush with the other 4 cartridges. Assuming you're happy with that, we just lower the top of the printer again. Printer will stop it from slamming, and again, the printer will detect that the lid has been closed and start checking the cartridge. If you're using compatible or remanufactured ink cartridges, you might get a warning on screen just to make sure you haven't been missold the cartridges or something similar like that. And assuming it can recognize the new cartridge, you can just carry on printing as normal. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it useful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know in a comment. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.